And closer to home, a Yonkers man recounts the tragedy of losing a loved one in a police-involved shooting.
The Westchester County DA also weighing in on the significance of the Derek Chauvin guilty verdict. News 12's Michelle Brown reports.
I actually couldn't watch it because it seemed too much familiar.
Like George Floyd's family, Yonkers resident Tadashi Baumgardner knows the pain of losing a loved one at the hands of police.
Me being as a kid, you don't forget traumatizing things as a kid. Just him here. Just him in the Navy.
On July 4th, 1996, his 25-year-old uncle, Levi Gaines, was heading home to Yonkers after watching the fireworks in the Bronx. A woman mistakenly thought the Navy veteran was following her into the subway and told a transit police officer who approached Gaines.
My uncle probably said, "I don't know what you're talking about," or "I'm not following anyone, I'm going home." And he continued to walk, and the officer told him to stop, and he continued to walk, and he was shot in his back 5 times.
The officer who shot and killed an unarmed Gaines was convicted of second-degree manslaughter and sentenced to 1.5 to 4 years in prison.
Remember, less than 2% of police officers are charged and convicted of cases.
Westchester County District Attorney Mimi Roca says the guilty verdicts in the Chauvin case is a huge step in moving forward with police accountability.
To see a police officer convicted on all counts, including murder, swiftly, it really, I think, sends a message that it is possible to have a criminal justice system where police officers are not above the law.
Tadashi Baumgardner agrees and is hopeful this time, unlike more than 20 years ago when his uncle was shot and killed, real change will happen. In Yonkers, Michelle Brown, News 12.
The Westchester County DA says if there had not been that compelling video evidence, she's not sure Derek Chauvin would have been convicted.